Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a new video where I will give you some updates about the transceiver or remote control. Of course, this is the remote control. It works very well and I can show you now several parts, several effects and how it works. So don't waste time and let's go to the Falcon immediately. Okay, let's go, and if you want to use the transceiver or remote control, you must put this jumper here in the middle position. As you can see, I am waiting. It means that we can turn on our remote control that is now almost done, almost complete. And we can see this menu. Okay, the first thing that I will show you is the number 7, software test. Software test will have this interface that, of course, it is very similar of the external keyboard. So, for example, if I press number 1, this is the number 1, we have the lights on here. Of course, if I press again the number 1, lights off. Okay, for example, the number 4, with the number 4 I have my internal lights on here and here, but of course you can plug everything you want. So again, with number 4, internal lights off. I can show you. Okay, so you have 9 channels, 1 to 9, that are these 1 to 9. Okay, so you can on or off, turn on or off these 9 channels from here. For example, number 8, it is the sound of the cannon with some LED. This is a blinking LED that you can put inside your Canon if you have the 3D printed version. Again, if we go in the page number 2, this is the power section. So, for example, for now I have not plugged anything here, but in the future I will plug in the number 1 the normal LED strip here. So if you have the DeAgostini LED strip, you can plug it here in the number 1. And for example, in the number 6 I have the engine failure. So if I press number 6, we have this effect. Okay. Then in the page 3, we have the radar, ramp up, ramp down. Then I have one channel relay number 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, now called NeoPixel, because if you have the LED strip for the engine NeoPixel, you can use it. Of course, if I press number 7, for now I have only the sound, but when I will plug the NeoPixel LED strip here, of course I have lights and sound. Then still in page 3, if I press 1 or 2, for example, 1 is ramp down, so I press 1 here, and I have the ramp down. If I press ramp up, number 2, this is the effect. Okay. And of course, with the number 3, we have the radar search. So I press number 3 and we have this effect. Okay, we are back in the main page, and of course, the number 7, it is only a very simple part of this transceiver, because the real important thing is that you can program everything you want with our system. So if you press number 3, you can create your program. So, for example, if you press number 1, you can, for example, press the number 1, all channel on. So if I press 1, I can clear an order and go out. Add order, it means that I will add this order in the RAM. Or number 8, I can add and test. So if I press 8, I will send this order to the Falcon and I have all the lights on. Okay. If I press, for example, 3, the engine, I have ramp up, ramp down, all engines stop, radar search 1, 2, and 3. These are different kind of search. So for example, if I press number 6, I can test only this kind of search. How many tours? For example, 8. Add and test order. So okay. Of course, you can add several programs in the same time and then send everything together to the Falcon. So, for example, I can do 1 and I do only add order. Then I can choose one audio effect, for example, number 7. I don't know what it is, but okay. You can choose the volume. So volume 1 to 9, I can choose, for example, 4. And also I add this order. As you can see, this is the list of the order in your RAM. Then, for example, power out, I can choose power out. So number 5, all channel on, add order. Okay. Now, when I have this list ready, I can press number 10, so I can back here. Then I will go in the number 2, menu Falcon. So menu Falcon, I can send with number 1, send TX RAM to Falcon. So if I press 1, you can see here that we are receiving our orders 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. When this is done, you can press any key and press number 2, execute to Falcon. So I press 2 and this is the result. Lights, radar. So you can program everything you want. All power channels on. Maybe there is not sound because number 5 is not programmed now, but as you can see, it works very well. So, of course, don't worry, because we will send you full documentation, instructions in English, of course, so you can read and test and learn everything about these remote control and transceiver. Okay, that's all. This is the part 1 of this updates video about the transceiver, because it is almost done. We need some more extra days for complete the software and our internal tests. So only after that, and when we are very sure that is ready at 100%, we can start shipping these things to you. So, hope you like this video. Please keep on following this channel, give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe. We will see you soon in the next few days with other news of the transceiver. Maybe I will do 1 or other 2 videos about it, and then we will ship to you. See you soon in the next few days. Cheers!